Unlock the door to your income certificate by mastering the payment process, ensuring your application sails smoothly forward. First, let's explore the convenience of online payments. Many government portals now offer integrated payment gateways. Navigate to the official website for income certificate applications in your region. Look for a section clearly labeled payment or fees. Here, you'll typically find options to pay using your credit card, debit card, or net banking. Enter your card details securely, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. If you opt for net banking, you'll be redirected to your bank's secure portal to authorize the transaction. Make sure all your application details are accurate before proceeding with the payment. Some platforms might also offer UPI or wallet payment options, so check for those as well. Crucially, always look for a payment confirmation screen or an email receipt after a successful transaction. This confirmation, often containing a unique transaction ID, is vital proof of your payment and should be saved or downloaded immediately for your records. For those who prefer offline methods, presenting your payment physically is also a viable option. Head to your designated government office or a partner bank branch that handles these payments. You'll likely need to present your application form and a payment challan, which you might be able to download online beforehand. Pay the required fee in cash, or sometimes via demand draft, to the authorized personnel. After payment, ensure you receive an official receipt. This receipt should be stamped and signed by the officer and is your official confirmation of payment. This physical proof is just as important as a digital one. Whether online or offline, acquiring and securing your payment confirmation is the final, critical step to ensure your income certificate application is processed without any financial hurdles.